Here's a subtraction strategy called the constant difference. Why regroup when you can use the constant difference? Let's find out how. Now we have 500 minus 15. Let's see if we can do it the constant difference first. So if I take 1 away from 500, what number is that? 499. 1 from 15 would make this 14. 499 minus 14. 9 minus 4 leaves me 5. 9 tens minus 1 10 leaves me 8 tens. 4 hundredths minus no hundredths leaves me 400. All right, so this is my answer using the constant difference. Let's check it out on the number line. So I'm at 500, and I'm going to subtract 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep, 485 is right. Now, let's do the algorithm. Can I subtract 0 from 5? No, I can't take 5 out of 0. I have nothing. I always blow on my hand. Nothing. So how can I take 5 ones from nothing? Well, I go over to the tens place and there's no tens for me to regroup into ones. So I have to go all the way to the hundreds place and I have to regroup 100. So I take 100 away from 500, so that makes 400s. And then that gives me 10 tens. 10 tens make 100. Well, I still don't have enough ones, so I'm still going to have to regroup 110. So I take 110 away from 10 tens, that gives me 9 tens. And now I have 10 ones. So 10 ones minus 5 ones is 5 ones. 9 tens minus 1 10 is 8 tens. And 4 hundreds minus no hundreds is still 4 hundreds. Did I get the same answer? Yes. I hope this is convincing you to try the constant difference. It's a fun strategy I like. Now, let's look at some larger numbers. Oh my goodness. 5,000 minus 286. What to do? I'm going to have to regroup all those place values. No, you don't. The constant difference. So let's take 1 away from 5,000 and take 1 away from 286. So 1 away from 5,000 would make this 4,999. 1 away from 286 is going to make this 285. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. And I should be saying 9 tens and hundreds. I'm sorry. 4,000 minus no thousand is still 4,000. And this is my answer. So now let's try it with algorithm. I like algorithm too, but you have to be very, very careful and remember how to regroup. I cannot take 6 from 0. Can't do it. You have nothing, no ones to take 6 away. So I go over here to borrow from the tens. There's no tens for me to borrow. So I go over here to borrow from the hundreds. There's no hundreds for me to borrow. So I have to use the relationship of place value. I have to subtract 1,000. I have to change the 1,000 into 10 hundreds. Now, I still don't have any ones, and we can't start subtracting until we get ones. So I have to take 100 away from 10 hundreds and make it 9 hundreds. Then I can make it 10 tens, that 100 I'm bringing over. I still don't have any ones, so I have to subtract 110 and make it 910, and now I have 10 ones. 10 ones minus 6 ones leaves me 4 ones. 9 tens minus 8 tens leaves me 1 10. 9 hundreds minus 2 hundreds leave me 7 hundreds. And 4,000 minus nothing is still 4,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Did I get the same answer? Yes.
It's your turn to try the constant difference. 500 minus 15. What's the answer? See you in part 2.